Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing an inner thigh workout. Now, before I do this, you need to listen to her. Good morning ladies and gentlemen and everyone in between. My name is Lateral and I am bringing you the breaking news. Number 1 today on our list is that no matter what exercise you do, you cannot do spot reduction. There is evidence for this. So no matter what and how much ever you try, you do not like your stomach, you do not like your thighs, you cannot only reduce one thing. This is upfront and news that I'm telling you, hearing it first here on this channel, that when you work out, if you want to reduce weight, the weight will reduce every part of the body, not only on your thigh or if you don't like your stomach. I am just bringing that news first and foremost right here with me, Natasha Noel. The second news that I want to tell you is no matter how much you want to lose weight or put on weight, if you hate yourself, it's not going to help. Because if you still hate yourself and if you put on weight or lose your weight and you've reached this point, right, you know what's going to happen, you're still going to hate yourself. So no matter what you're going to do, you need to love yourself because you are great, because you are beautiful, because you are enough. You heard this here first. When you do that, and when you still love yourself, and because if you love yourself, you will always and always choose to do whatever you want to do, however you want to make yourself healthy. So whatever is healthy for you, however your heart can beat, pumping up blood for you, you want to remember that, yeah? You want to remember that healthy looks different on every body, but you choose to be healthy. You heard it here first, everyone. Live and center. Till I see you next time. Have a good day. So, the workout that we're going to be doing is for the strengthening of the inner thigh. It's not to lose weight. It's not, I don't believe in that, okay? I believe in strength, so that's what we're going to do. Very simple. Just follow along with me. I'm going to be doing 1 set of everything. If you like, you can do 3 sets or 5 sets, whichever is comfortable for you. Doing 1 set so we can do it together. The first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to turn out the leg. As we turn out the leg, in fitness, it's called Sumo squat. So you're going to take up the hands. As you take up the hands, you're going to rotate, inhale, inhale. Exhaling, you're going to go down. 1 and up. Now when you do this, squeeze the butt. 2, push the knees back and up. 3 and up. Keep breathing. 4 and up. Pelvis sort of 5, pelvis forward. 6 and up. 7 and up. Keep breathing. 8 and up. 9 and up. Last one, 10. We're going to just stay here. 10. Breathe. 9. This is not a very intense workout, it's light but it's going to burn. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to come up, you're going to have a 5-second break, okay? Just shake it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The second one, we're going to do dancer legs, okay? So that means dancer squats. Inhale, exhale, we're going to go down. As we go down, I'm going to show you. You're going to come on the balls of the feet. Up, 1. And from there, we're going to come back down. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Inhale, exhaling. Inhale, exhale, we're going to go down. As we go down, we're going to go up. 1, balls of the feet up and down. That means heels off the floor. 2 and up. I'm not moving up and down with my body. My body is exactly where it is. 4, burning. 5, 6, 7, 8, high heels, 9. Last one, 10, stay there, breathe, stay 10, breathe 9, 8, legs are shaking, it's 5, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, you're gonna come up, stay up, balls of the feet up, stay 10, squeeze, breathe 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, release, shake 5 seconds, 5, we've done 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale. We're going to slide 10 on the right, 10 on the left first. Okay, so inhale, exhale. We're going to come down to like almost a squat position. As you come into a squat position, you're going to slide the leg to the side and get it back in. That's all you're going to do. Slide and in. Yeah, so do it with me together. Inhale, 10 and 10. Exhale, we're going to slide 1 and in. Try and stay in the same level. 2. Press the feet onto the floor and get it back in. 3 and in. 4 and in. 5 and in. 6 and in. 7, 8, 9, last 10, squeeze it in on the side. 10 and in. 9, squeeze, press the foot inside. 7 and in, keep breathing. 6 and in. 5 and in. 4 and in. 3 and squeeze. 2 and squeeze. Last one and in and release. 5 seconds. 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Your fourth exercise is going to be lateral squats. Okay, so that means inhale, exhale. Going to go to the side. Going to squat low. As I squat low, I'm going to come back up. My opposite leg is straight. Watch again. I'm going to go in. As I go, squat. This leg is straight. As this leg is straight, I'm going to push and up. You want to go, the deeper you go, the more you feel on your inner thigh. And up. That's 1. 2 and up. 3 and up. 4 and up. Straight. 5 and up. Push the foot. My foot is not coming up. But 7 whoop, and up. Keep the foot onto the floor. 8 and up. 9 and up. 10 and up. 11 and up. You're doing 20. 13 and up. Whoop. 14 and up. 15 and up. 16 and up. 17 and up. 18 and up. 19 and up. Last one. 20 and back. Inhale, exhale, keep breathing. You're going to say 5, 4, 3, catch your breath. Talking and doing this is not my thing. 2, 1. The last exercise that we're going to be doing, we're going to lie down on the floor. Now, as we lie down, you can come up. As you come up, take the right leg over. Now watch my legs very carefully. When you're doing this, you don't want the leg in this position. You want to try rotate the leg. So you want to rotate the leg up and go 1 and down. 2, 3, 4, rotate. 5, last. 5, keep breathing. 4, 3, almost. 2, 1, we're going to hold it. Say 10, feel the burn, straighten the leg. 9, heel up, heel facing up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, feel the burn. 1, release other side. Should be feeling something. Now, again, whichever level you are in, if you're a beginner, you can do level 1. Just do this once. If you're intermediate, 3 times. Advanced, 5. Inhale, exhale, lift. 1 and down. 2 and down. Breathe. 3, remember the heel is facing up. 4, 5, 6, keep breathing. 7, 8, 9, last one, 10, hold it up, stay 10. Breathe 9, feel the inner thigh, flex the foot. 8, 7, 6, almost. 5, 3, 2, 1, release. I hope this has helped in some way. Comment below, let me know what you want to see next. Till I see you next time, practice daily, stay safe, stay humble. Okay, bye.